Hi, I'm Lori McMaster. I'm the Director of the Office of Professional and Career Development here at Pitt Law. I'm also a 1986 graduate of Pitt Law. After leaving the law school, I practiced as a civil trial attorney for about 19 years here, mainly in Pittsburgh, but also in Cleveland, Ohio, and then became a legal recruiter for 6 years before joining Pitt Law about a year and a half ago. And it's been wonderful to be back here. We wanted to talk with you a bit about the kinds of services that my department offers, and what our focus is primarily upon is obviously providing our law students and alumni with the highest quality professional development and career development advice we can, which primarily consists of individualized one-on-one counseling on topics as diverse as resume preparation, cover letter preparation, how to prepare for an interview, how to go about analyzing the surrounding legal marketplace to identify potential employers that you might have an interest, and then of course walk-in appointments as well as our schedules allow. We also do a good bit of programming on topics addressing those I just discussed, but beyond that talking about the kinds of employers within the marketplace, what it's like to be an attorney practicing in the public sector, things of that sort. And then of course also one of our more popular programs is the Lawyer to Lawyer program, wherein a member of my office escorts a group of law students to an employer site, whether it is a governmental agency, a corporation, a large law firm, a small law firm, over a lunch hour where the students will have an opportunity to hear directly from attorneys talk about what it is they do on a day-to-day basis, what their own career path to success was. And of course then we've had great success, I think, in working individually with our students. You know, just recently, in fact, this was about 2 Sundays ago this happened. I was actually scheduled to meet with a student on a Friday afternoon to prepare her for an interview which she had on Monday morning. And while I was interviewing with her, it was really obvious to me that she was very much under the weather and was just not feeling well. And so knowing that her interview was going to be on Monday morning, what I suggested was this. I said, look, let's talk on Sunday afternoon. I gave her my cell phone number, and I said, I'm going to be at home, just give me a call, and what we will do is we'll then prepare you over the phone on Sunday afternoon. And that's what we did. She went to her interview on Monday morning and very quickly was accepted a job from that law firm, which she was very happy about. And then of course where corporations are concerned, one of the things we're proudest of is the fact that this year, as a result of our employer outreach, we've had several employers come to interview Pitt Law students for the very first time. And they've crossed a multitude of industries, everything from diversified financial institutions like PNC Bank, to pharmaceutical companies such as Mylan, to companies in the energy sector such as EQT or Talisman USA. And so we've been very happy about that because they've very energetically come on campus, interviewed our students, have extended offers to our students, and many of them are now going to be working at those and other similar employers this summer. So we're happy about that. And finally, where the public sector is concerned, our students have had great success there as well. Very recently, we had one of our students learn of an opportunity we had posted online to Simplicity, which is our online database for job positions, to see that the Governor's Office of General Counsel was once again going to be coming to Pitt Law to interview potential law interns. And after he saw that opportunity, he scheduled an appointment with us to review his resume, to help him draft his cover letter, and to prepare for the interview. I'm happy to say that the interview went very well, and he will be working at the Office of the General Counsel this coming summer, 2013, and we couldn't be happier for him. So that's some of the success that our students have experienced as a result of accessing the resources here within the Office of Professional and Career Development. Speaking of resources, how about if I show you a bit of them as well? Come on with me. We are heading over to the Resource Center, which our students use for a multitude of reasons, including counseling appointments, but also doing computer and other forms of research as well. And this is our Resource Center. Students come in here in order to do computer research, meet with our counselors, and we have additional print material over here to my right, which you can't see right now on film. And so we would really be very excited about the opportunity of one day seeing you here in the Resource Center. We do hope you come to Pitt Law. We look forward to seeing you in the fall of 2013. Hail to Pitt!